Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing good. Today we will do the workbook part from our EVS subject. Now we will do the first lesson in our EVS subject, Relationships in a Family. The lesson's name is Relationships in a Family. The workbook part, and the first bit we have here is tick the correct answer. Here we have 3 questions and we have options here A, B, C. For this question we have to tick the correct answer from the given options here. The first one is, who fulfills our basic needs? A, friend, B, family, C, father. So who fulfills our basic needs? We are living in a family and family provides us food and house. So the correct answer here is family B. Now 2. Who gives birth to a child? A, father, B, family, C, mother. So who gives birth to a child? Can you tell? A, father, B, family, C, mother. Here the correct answer is C, mother. So tick the C option here for mother. Now 3. Our parents want us to do the A, right things, B, bad things, C, many things. So here the correct answer is, our parents want us to do the A, right things. So tick the A option here. So under exercise time, the second bit here is tick the true and cross the false statements. Here the first statement, our family gives us a lot of love and care. So is this a true statement or a false statement? Our family gives us a lot of love and care. Yes, this is a true statement. So we will put a tick mark here for the first statement. Now, after birth, a baby takes care of itself. So after birth, a baby is very small. So it cannot take care of itself. So this is a wrong statement. So we will put a wrong cross symbol here. Now the third one, parents have enough time to enjoy with the children. Is this a true statement? No, because parents have many responsibilities, so they don't have enough time to enjoy with the children. So we will put a cross mark here. 4. We should listen to our parents' advice. Is this the correct answer? Or is this the correct statement? We should listen to our parents' advice. Yes, this is a true statement. So we will put a correct symbol here. Now under exercise time, the third bit here is fill in the blanks. 1. The husband and wife become dash of each other. So here we have to write the correct word to complete this sentence. The husband and wife become partners of each other. So we will write here partners. Now both the parents teach their child dash and dash. What is the answer here? Good manners and good values. So we will write here good manners and good values. 3. Grandpa, grandma are the dash for grandparents. Are the different names for grandparents. So we will write here different names. So grandpa and grandma are the different names for grandparents. Grandpa is grandfather, grandma is grandmother. Now the fourth one, dash tells stories to their grandchildren. Who tells stories to their grandchildren? Grandparents. Grandparents tell stories to their children. Now the fifth one, The children born from the same parents are called siblings. The children born from the same parents are called siblings. So we will write here siblings. This is the correct answer. So with this we completed the fill in the blank section under exercise time. Next one in the exercise time is 4. Answer the following questions. 1. How is the relation between siblings special? So here siblings are the sisters brothers or brothers or sisters sisters. So how is the relation between siblings special? At one moment the siblings fight with each other and the very next moment they forget everything. So what happens when the siblings fight with each other? The very next moment they forget everything and they are very caring for each other. The very next moment they fight, but they are very much caring for each other the very next moment. That is why the relationship between siblings is special. Now 2. How do parents share their responsibilities? Here the father earns the money and the mother does all the household tasks. Both parents go out to work and share the household tasks as well. So parents are the mother and father. So how do they share their responsibilities? In some houses father earns the money and the mother looks after the household tasks. But in some families both parents, that is both mother and father, go out to work and share the household tasks. Now the third one, why is our family called first school? So we go to school but our family is called first school. Why is it so? We learn many things from our family much before we learn from anywhere else. That is why our family is called our first school. So before we go to school and before we go out and we learn anything from anywhere else, we learn many things from our family first. That is why our family is called the first school. Now the fourth question here is, how is the role of parents different from the role of grandparents? The parents are our mother and father. Grandparents are the parents of our parents, are the grandparents. So what is the role of parents and how is it different from grandparents? Parents are the disciplinarians of their children, whereas grandparents enjoy and have fun with their grandchildren. Yes, parents give discipline to their children. They teach discipline to their children, but the grandparents, they play with their grandchildren, they tell them stories and have fun with their grandchildren. So these are the question and answers in our first lesson. So under exercise time we have horse, and what is the part given here? Grandparents are the most important part of a family. Why? Yeah, they are asking us grandparents are most important of a family, right? Why? Grandparents are the parents of our parents. They are the elder people. Why are they important to a family? Because they are the elder people and they share us lot of moral values and they give us lot of love and affection, and also they tell us and teach us how to look after each other in a family. So grandparents are the most important part of a family. You can write these sentences in your workbook in page number 2 as to why grandparents are most important part of a family. Under exercise time, we have value based questions. Suppose there is a fight between you and your brother, sister or cousin. Who normally resolves the fight? Yes, if there is a fight between your brother, your sister or cousin, who normally resolves the fight? Means who puts an end to the fight? Is it you or your brother or your sister or your cousin? Write here. If it is you, write I or me. Or if it is your brother who ends the fight, write your brother, my sister, my cousin. Then, do you then become good friends again? Yes, after fighting and after ending the fight, do you become good friends again? Your brother, sister or cousin with whom you fought, do you become good friends again? If yes, write here yes. You should become good friends again after having a fight. That is a good habit. Next, do you continue not to talk to each other? After having a fight and after ending a fight, do you talk to each other or stop talking to each other? You should not stop talking to each other. Then what you do? Do you continue to talk or not talk? Right here, we talk to each other or we do not talk to each other. Right here, what you do after having a fight. Under exercise time, we have home assignment and project. How do you spend time with your grandparents? Write 3 values that you have learned from them. Children, grandparents are the parents of our parents. So, do you spend time with them? And did you learn any values from them? Are they living with you? Or if they are living in any other place, do you go and visit them? If so, then write here what are the values you learned from your grandparents. Value 1, value 2 and value 3. Write here the values that you learned from your grandparents in page number 3 of your workbook. And with this we finish the workbook part of our first lesson, relationships in a family. Children, complete the workbook, go through the course book and prepare for the online exam.